When people hear artificial intelligence, they often imagine robots trying to outsmart us or take over the world. But let's clear that up. AI is powerful, yes, but it's very different from how humans think and learn. Human intelligence is flexible, emotional, and deeply creative. We learn from just a few experiences, apply common sense, adapt to new situations, and understand things that aren't directly said. AI is amazing at narrow tasks, recognizing patterns in huge amounts of data and performing calculations faster than any human. But it only knows what it's been trained on and doesn't understand the world like we do. The real power lies in combining both, using AI to handle data-heavy tasks while we focus on creativity, problem-solving, and decision-making. So next time you hear someone say, AI is going to replace us, just remember, it's not about humans versus AI. It's about humans with AI.